Hello, welcome to Simplified Maths. Let's learn some more problems, maths problems. This is one of the problem I have seen in Singapore Olympiad and Asian Olympiad, actually, some of the Asian Olympiads. The problem is there are 10 steps, okay? You can take it as n, it can be any number. If you are allowed to go one or two steps in one go, okay? How many ways you can climb the 10 steps, okay? What is the meaning of this is if you are allowed to go one or two steps in one go, means you can either go one step at a time or two steps. Okay, and you have to finish 10 steps. How many ways you can climb? Okay, just take an example. If there are two steps, you can go one step. This is one way, or you can go two steps at a time. Right, so two ways you can go. So this is the problem. So this looks like very easy permutations and combination problem. You take each step and find out the permutations and combinations, but as the number goes high, it becomes very complicated, right? So the easy way is actually this problem is a classic example of Fibonacci series. Okay, the step pattern, okay, follows the Fibonacci series. Okay, let's see how. Okay, this is a classic problem in combinatorics, and the number of ways that climb the space can be calculated using Fibonacci sequence very easily. Okay, to climb 10 steps, you take either one or two steps at a time. Okay, right? That's the question. Okay, let's f of n denotes the number of ways to climb n steps. So here we are going to calculate f of 10. Okay, f of n is, as per Fibonacci series, is sum of previous two Fibonacci series. That is f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. Right? Why? We need to understand this step very well. Okay, if I am in third step, okay, what I'm trying to tell is it is sum of how many ways I can go first step and second step. That's what I'm trying to tell. Okay, why? Because I can go in one or two steps, right? So if I am on nth step, okay, I can come to n minus 1 steps and then go one step. So it is equal to n minus 1, f of n minus 1, that is same number of steps, correct? Same number of ways, plus I can go to two steps below, that is f of n minus 2. Okay, how many number of ways I can come to f of n minus 2 and n minus 2 step, that is f of n minus 2. Then I can take two steps and go to nth step, right? So this is a very classic problem of Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so starting with the base cases, f of 0 equal to 1. Okay, f of 0 means there are no steps, so there is no climbing, it's 1. And f of 1 equal to, there is only one step, so only one way I can go, that is go in one step. So now we can calculate f of 2, f of 3, etc. Okay, f of 2 equal to f of 1 plus f of 0, which is 2. So I can go in one one step, or two steps at a time. Okay, so I will call it 1 1 comma 2, 2 comma 0 or 0 comma 2. Yeah, f of 3 equal to f of 2 plus f of 1, which is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Okay, I can go 1 1 or 2 1 or 1 2. These are the three ways. Okay, so I don't need to explain for other steps now. So it's all Fibonacci series, right? So now f of 4 equal to 5. 5 combinations you can go. So to find f of 10, basically you need to start the series. 10, basically you need to go to 10 times and starting with f of 1, not f of 0. Okay, remember that. So f of 1 is 1, 2, then this is 2 plus 1. So like that. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, so on. So we have to stop at 10. That is nothing but 89. So f of 10 is 89. This is the answer. for this problem. Hope you understand. This is very simple. Once you know the concept, you don't need to apply the concept there, right? It is only for understanding. So you have to just write Fibonacci series and take which step you are going and then write. And just make sure that you are starting with f of 1, not f of 0. Okay. Classic Fibonacci series starts with 1 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, it starts with 1 comma 2 basically. Next step. Yeah, this is just an extension of the previous problem. There are again same 10 steps and you are allowed to go in 1 or 2 or 3 steps in one go. Okay, the difference is last time we are going in 1 or 2 steps. This time we are going 1 or 2 or 3 steps. Okay, how many ways you can climb 10 steps? Is it similar to previous one or there is something different? Yeah, obviously you can see we are allowed to go in 3 steps also, right? So if you take third step, not only f of 2 plus f of 1, but there is one more in 3 steps at a time I can go, right? So plus 1 is coming there, right? So this is also Fibonacci series, but not sum of last two numbers, okay? This is sum of k Fibonacci series, and in this case, we have three options, 1, 2, or 3 steps you can go. So this is a 3 Fibonacci problem, okay? If k steps are allowed to go in one go, basically it will become a k Fibonacci series. So this is 3 Fibonacci problem, okay? So f of n equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2 plus f of n minus 3. This is what you should know. Now, same way, f of 0 equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 1, we know there is only one way you can go. F of 2 equal to 2, f of 3 equal to 4 basically. Okay, you can go in 1, 1, 1, 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2, or 3, 4. Okay, so now with this you apply, you try to get the 10 Fibonacci series, basically first 10, starting with f of 1. So 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 7 comma 13 comma 24 comma 44, 81, 149, and 274. So 10th one is f of 10 equal to 274. This is the answer. So you see the difference, right? You have 274 ways you can go. Climb the steps actually. 10 steps that too. Okay. Hope you understand well. Next. Okay, now I'm started looking at the trigonometric problems now. So we will start adding more trigonometry problems now. By 10th class, you should know a lot of trigonometry actually. This will help you in your 11th and 12th when you go to competitive exams. So this question is x equal to cos 1, cos 2, cos 3 up to cos 89 and y equal to cos 2, cos 6, cos 10 to cos 86. You can see why there is a difference of 4 degrees each one. Okay, 2, 6, 10. Okay, 4 degrees difference. The question is, yeah, they asked several things. I mean, x by y, or they can give some expression using x square plus y square or something. So I'm just taking a simple x by y. Okay, what is the value of x by y? Okay, it's given that, okay, x equal to this, y equal to this. Now, you should know this equation, cos A into cos B equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B divided by 2. This you should remember. Okay, this is the one which we will apply here. Okay, take first equation x. Okay, then you take cos 1 and cos 89. Okay, cos 1 and cos 89. Okay, it will become cos 89 plus 1 plus cos 89 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, which is nothing but cos 90 plus cos 88 divided by 2. Cos 90 is 0, we know, so it will become cos 88 by 2. So if you take cos 1 and cos 89, first and last basically, make sure that you are taking two angles which whose sum is 90 basically. Okay. Then it will become cos 88 by 2. Okay. Just minus 1. Okay. Similarly, cos 2 and cos 88 will become cos 86 by 2. Okay. So we will do this 44 times because there are 89 numbers. So you need two cos thetas each time. So 89 by 2, round figure to 44, and cos 45, which is center uh, number, which will be remaining. Okay. So last one is cos 44, cos 46, which is nothing but cos 90 plus cos 2 by 2, which is cos 2 by 2. Okay. Now if I rewrite, and cos 45 is we know 1 by root 2. Okay. Leave it. Now x has become now cos 88 into cos 86 into cos 84 up to cos 2. Okay. Divided by root 2, that is 1 by root 2 cos 45 we have, right, into 2 power 44, because 44 combinations are there, so each one will get 1 by 2, so 2 power 44. Okay. Now if you compare this with y is the angles are difference of 4, here angles are difference of 2, so which means it's very clear the numerator you take and redo the same thing again. Okay. So repeat the same basically. So we will get what we will get here, the numerator equal to cos 86 into cos 82. This time we will get 4 difference in angle. Okay. And how many pairs are there? There are 44 cos angles are there. So we will get 22 pairs. So 2 power 22 in the denominator. Okay. So now this is exactly here numerator is exactly like y. So now x has become y by 2 power 66 into square root of 2. So x by y equal to 1 by 2 power 66 into square root of 2. You can still simplify if you want further. Okay. Hope you understand this problem. Trigonometry is very important, and most of the trigonometric problems are finally one you have to remember some formulae and then apply algebra only. Yes. Okay. So these are some of the trigonometric formulas which you should start remembering. Okay. And this is the very important table. You might heard all silver teacups, the angles in four coordinates, and how the sine theta, cos theta, all trigonometric ratios basically behave in each quadrant. So this is the table. You should remember these two. I'll come up with more trigonometric problems now. Thank you.